Fire roasted beef steak tomato today. This is a wonderful side dish. First thing we want to do is we want to get down deep, little twist. We want to get that stem cut right out. So just a little spray over the fire and then just straight salt and pepper today. And get that in over top of the coals. I think we're close. Turn that over. We want to take that knife and puncture some holes on the inside of that tomato. Let the balsamic move through the tomato a little bit. Now we'll let that finish with blue cheese and some balsamic. Cover that up and let it finish. 5 minutes aside is all we need. We'll get that tomato off to let this sit for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side, 5 minutes to rest. Let's see how we did. Give that a slice. Tell me we don't have a beautiful side dish. And then I just put it down, peel that skin off, and have a sample. That blue cheese, this will be great over a steak.